In this video, I'm going to show you the fastest way to create tables in Figma. So no manual work, no building tables from scratch. We will use plugin that makes everything quick and simple. First, click on the action button, go to plugins and widgets. So this is right here, down here, actions. And we can now type in table, creator, and click on search plugins and widgets for table creator. Now you will see that will open up some options. We will use this one, which is mostly used. This you can see here, almost 700,000 users and 5,000, almost 6,000 likes. So we will use that one. Click on it and save the plugin once it's saved, like that. Now, once it's saved, you will find it under the all section. So right here on all, as you can see here now, whenever you need it, it's there. Now open the table creator, click on it, and click create table, like so. Loading. Okay. Now we will put here next, and now we can create new table. So now here we set how many columns and rows we want. So I will go with 4 by 4, just for representation, like that. Create table. And now we have table here, as you can see. So I will delete all of this. That will not bother us, like so. Okay, close that. And now we have a table right over here. If we click on it, on the right side, now we can adjust a little bit how we want. Selection colors, you can also do that for every, like so, every cell. Now like that, as you can see. Here on the left side, we have every row, every cell, so we can do that. And like that. And now we can add text to it. So, oops, sorry, not that one, that one. So we can add text and type something in if we want, as you can see. And here it will make for every cell, will make separate text here that you can modify it later on. Also, we can change this fill color. So if we go, for example, to this cell, you will see here fill option. So we can do like that and something, try it this way. As you can see, instantly you will get the change of the cell. Now, if you need more rows or columns later, go back to the action menu and open the table creator again. And here you will see formatting options. So like inserting new column, insert rows. So choose wherever you want it to add. So if we do that, after, before, 2, and so like that, this one, like that, insert after 2, So we can insert the row after 1, 2, and now you can see we have got a new 2 rows. For example, so this is by far the fastest and easiest way to create table in Figma. I hope it does have some limitations, like no sample way to merge cell, but for most use cases it works perfectly. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Comment down below that you subscribed so I can personally thank you in the comments. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.